Well, hello travelers, Todd here. We're traveling around Disney, and as you can probably tell, we're not in Disney, but we're really close. We're 15 minutes away from Disney Springs because we are at the Vineland outlet malls, and you can probably see the big outlet mall behind me. We're on the sub side over here where Ford's Garage is. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, and we decided to do a little shopping. So come along and let's see what the outlet malls, and maybe have a little lunch today, has to offer us. So we are at the Orlando Vineland Premium Outlet Malls right here. This is the main mall center right here. We are over here on the side because we wanted to come to Old Navy, Forever 21, Tommy Bahamas, and the Gap is over on this side. Yes, I'm still here. These are touch screens. So we are over on this side. There's a Ford's Garage restaurant right there, but it is a Sunday morning, so we just thought we'd come do a little shopping today. Becca's with us, and it's me and Michelle, so no telling what we'll find. It is a bright and beautiful day here in Florida. You can probably tell from the sunshine. Not a cloud in the sky. It's supposed to be 97 degrees today, but us Floridians, we are ready for the summer. We cannot wait. Just remember to hydrate. Wear your sunscreen, and don't forget, since you're watching this video, hit that like and subscribe button down below so you can join in on all of our travels. Now, we are here on a Sunday, and just like anywhere else, usually most of the stores here won't open until 11 o'clock in the morning on Sundays. So even if you get here bright and early, it's still 11 o'clock. So just remember that. So we're just trying to get the lay of the land because we've never been on this side of the outlet mall. And Becca actually brought us here because she told us to go to the Gap, which we went to the Gap. We didn't like the store, and then she brought us over here, and it's like, wait, this is the Gap we did come to. The Gap has two different outlet stores, one at the main area and one on this area, and this one on this side is bigger, so we're gonna go check that out. But one of my favorite stores is right back here behind me, Tommy Bahamas, so we're gonna check that out too. But I already see that Old Navy has a Disney collection, so I can't wait to go in here and take a look at the Disney. There's some kids Disney, but there's also adult Disney in here, so we're going to take a look at that. So let's see what this little side of the outlet mall has to offer us, and I'm sure I can talk the girls into lunch today somewhere. I did not know, but over on this side they actually have the promenade. It's the information center, but there's restrooms and everything in there, so let's go in there and take a look at it. I've never seen this before. Okay, so it's like an information desk, all the information that you may need for the areas in and around Orlando, but there's also restrooms right there. If you head back this way, there's the restroom and some beverages right there that you can get. Of course, area maps. Who used to get these when they were a kid? You just go and get every one of them, so when you're on vacation, you can see where you wanted to go and where your adventures would take you. And then I'm sure somebody comes in at 11 to work this. And then what's over on this side? Oh, it looks just like offices and stuff like that. So I'm wondering, they would probably give you a map for what is available. We'll see if we can find one. How many of you guys have been to Legoland? Since Michelle's such a big Lego fan, we've thought about going there. I remember when it used to be called Cypress Gardens. We used to live in Winter Haven at that time. Also, if you are catching an Uber or Lyft over here on this side of the outlet malls in front of the information center, this will be the ride share. This is where they'll pick you up. They usually have designated areas within the whole outlet mall area. So just remember where to go if you're getting an Uber or a Lyft or a ride share right here. Okay, everybody's starting to come in. If you want to get here early to get good parking, make sure you do that. What else we got here? We got an Express Factory outlet. I've never been on this side, like I said. Got some Hokas there. Aren't those good running shoes or walking shoes? That's what I thought. We got UGG, we got North Face, and we got Gap right down here. So I'm heading down this way towards the girls. Let's go ahead and show you the hours. Usually is this right here. So just remember, if you're coming on Sundays, they don't open until 11, like I said earlier in the video. Couldn't find a hard map. You know, me being an old guy, I love hard maps. But they do have the information kiosk everywhere, and they are touch screen, so just make sure If you're looking for somewhere to go, it's touchscreen. It's pretty easy to operate. Even I can do it. See, it'll tell you everything right there. So if you're looking for dining, entertainment, deals and events, cinema app, all that good stuff. See, just go up there. Okay, so we got this. Oh, looky there. There's a Saks Fifth Avenue. I love that store too. They always have the neatest stuff in there. Plus, it reminds me of New York, which I absolutely love New York. So, okay, that's the Ford's garage right there. There's McDonald's over there. There's charging stations, all kinds of stuff. We probably won't make it over to the main area, but this is pretty neat. And like I said, just figured I'd do a video while we're here. I zoomed in a little bit. That is the main factory outlet mall right there. But you'll see the white buildings right over there. That is Disney Springs. That's the Renaissance, which used to be the B Resort, but now it's the Renaissance Resort. But that is where Disney Springs is, and that's how close you are to this outlet mall. Okay, it is 11 o'clock. Doors are open. It is time to go shop. No telling what the girls have already found. The door just opened. And we have made it into the Gap. Of course, sweatshirts, which I really like these because they're zipper fronts. Looking for any Disney merchandise. We're gonna keep all men's is on that side. And then the whole center is women's. And then all the way over that way is kids. So there's kids, women's, and men's in this store. A lot bigger than the Gap that me and Michelle went to. Oh, I see some Snoopy. Let's go check some Snoopy out. I don't see any Disney yet. Oh, no, looky there. Minnie Mouse makes her presence right there. Very nice. Okay, we got some Disney there. And then we got Snoopy right there. Love the laced outfits, crochet outfits. I want Michelle to try one of these on. I think she would look great in it. She did get a couple pieces from here, which you guys may see on future videos, especially on the cruise videos coming up. You may see those. And oh, look at this. Anything that says sale, I'm a sucker for. Okay, so we're going to look for even more stuff. But see, very nice and neat and tidy. Of course, right now because they just opened. Trust me, these poor folks fight these stacks and everything. Okay, we found more Disney. The Gap right there looks like sweatpants all along there, and then more sweatshirts up here. So if you're looking for some Disney merchandise, they have it here. And then we got the Old Navy we're going to stop at. But that is the Gap. So if you've ever wondered what a Gap store looks like at an outlet mall, this is it. I wonder if they got any men's Disney. Let's go over there and take a look. Found the t-shirts, and they do have some Marvel back there. And there is a Disney one. What is that one right there? I gotta get that real quick. That was a Snoopy t-shirt, not a Disney t-shirt. Looks like Cityscapes. Oh, a Keith Haring. One of my favorite artists, Keith Haring, along with Jean-Michel Basquiat. And then, of course, my favorite recording artist of all time, Prince. In comparison, this is the men's side. This section, right here, and then it stops. All that over that way is women's and kids, but I think I spotted some men's Disney right over this way. Made my way over to the sweatshirt area, and look who we have on the wall right here. We have a Mickey that matches the Minnie over on the other side of the store. So they do have some Disney also here for men. And it just keeps getting better. More Disney, a Gap here for men. Right there we got shorts, hooded sweaties. I like the shorts. I might have to take a look at these. And of course, you know, gotta have that Mickey tennis shirt right there. And then the USA print on a tee right there. Okay, I like this. These t-shirts are now $19.99. How much are the shorts? So they're $40 minus $60, which is $24 off. Anything else Disney? No, that looks about like it. But then they got cargo shorts, all that for men. Oh, what is this? I just seen this. This is a denim zip jacket. I know it's 97 degrees outside, but look at that. Oh, and that is 70 off. Let me see what the price of this is. That is $150, so 75. That's $105 off. So it's $105 off of the $149, so it'd be $44 for that. Oh man, look at that Mickey, embroidered Mickey on there. Might have to think about that. Not sure about that, might have to think about it. It always determines the size too, by the time we get to when it gets this low in discounts. But they do have Disney, so don't fear if you didn't get your Disney stuff over at the Magic Kingdom or at World of Disney. They got it here at the outlets. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 36 off of 60 that is correct, $24 for those hooded sweatshirts right there. That's why you come to the outlet malls. Now remember, some of this stuff is the end of season, or it was just that's why it's a little warmer wear, but there are shorts and stuff here, but got a pretty nice selection here at the Gap. Found even more Disney. This is 70 off, $89.99 for these sweatshirts. You guys do the math. I'm tired of trying to figure out how much deals these are. But these are sweatshirts as well, with pockets right there. But they also have the matching sweatpants to go with these. Now I gotta see how much these are. So after the 70% off, these are $27. I never knew this existed. I really have never come into Gap or to Old Navy, which we still got to get to. I may have been missing out on a lot of great deals. Anything I can do to save money is I'm going to do it. Okay, so what do y'all think of this jacket? $45 after all the discount, but it might be a great jacket for our next group cruise for 2026. It was a success at Gap, and now on to Old Navy. Great stuff at Tommy Bahama. Just didn't see anything that I cared for in there, but there was some Disney prints in there, but very limited. It definitely is more like a clearance, like the last or the season end runs of the shirts in there. So, but if you love Tommy Bahama, might not be a bad place to stop. Made it into Old Navy, and look at all of this clothes. Look at all these. I hope they got some adult back there. Love this patriotic Old Navy shirt right there with the Fab Five. Fantastic. Okay, we're gonna have to go see. There's all the Disney up there for Old Navy. Probably won't be able to film too much in there because they got a lot of music going on. I know.
Isn't that cute?
That is cute.
Heart?
Yes.
I'm gonna try it.
You gonna try it on?
I am.
Becca's already found an outfit. Let's try it on. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, that well, maybe not with the different type of music, but we'll see. We'll see if we get by. Loving that Old Navy right there. And that shirt is $45 right there. And it says 50 off now? So does that mean it's $22.50? Not a bad deal. Made my way over to the men's tees, and we see some Ghostbusters, see some Bluey down there. Let's see, I thought I seen a Keith Haring right there. The Apple print. Oh, there's a Stitch. New movie getting ready to come out. You can go ahead and get you a t-shirt here. Loving those Disney swimsuit right there. And that pocket and that. This is all the men's collection. Oh my goodness. And now going into ladies over here. They love the Fab Five, so do I. Love that sweater. Look at that. Man, oh man. Great Disney collection here at Old Navy Outlet here at the Vineland Premium Malls right here. Oh, look at the little jelly shoes. Oh, those are so cute. Little bathing suits. And the little bathing suits over here. Oh, look at that. So cute. So cute. Great Disney collection. I haven't seen these. Oh, there's the denim jackets right there. That's a great denim jacket. It looks like everything's 50 off here. But that's the front of that denim jacket right there. I never knew they had this. One thing I love about Old Navy, they actually have price checks throughout the store, so you can check the prices. And then they have a bench here in the dressing room that actually have USBs, so you can charge your phone while people change clothes. And that's a wrap on Old Navy. Didn't find much in there, but they had a great Disney collection. So yet another great Disney collection at the Outlet Mall. And we have made it to lunch. Only 5 minutes from the Outlet Mall is the Cheesecake Factory. Absolutely love it. This is the one that is right off of I-4 is right over there. You can see all the traffic. But this is also the new intersection over here. Right across that bridge right there is White Castle and Cane's. But we wanted to come to Cheesecake Factory to try a new salad out. I will have to say Cheesecake might have one of the most extensive menus I have ever seen. So if you can't read this, just go online, take a look at their menu. Made our way into the Cheesecake Factory, which is literally right across the street just about from the Outlet Mall. One of our favorite places to stop because, come on, who doesn't love a good slice of cheesecake? By the way, that's my favorite here. Hold on, wait a minute. Is that a piece of tiramisu cheesecake back there? I don't think I've ever tried that here. Uh-oh. Might be time for a new plan. I found it in the case. What do you guys think? Have you ever tried this before? Do you guys like Cheesecake Factory? Leave it in the comments below if you do. That's the birthday celebration cake right there. That looks pretty good. Tiramisu though? Or pineapple upside? Oh, I just love that cheesecake. And just remember, you can get your cheesecakes to go right there. So you don't always have to eat them after a great big meal. But this is a pretty large location. Don't forget to sign up for their cheesecake rewards. You always get a free slice on your birthday. And they actually have a to-go counter right here with the cheesecakes that you can place a to-go order here at the Vineland area one. And you know I am a sucker for open kitchens. I love open kitchens. Just to let everyone know, inside seating there is a little bit of a wait today, but if you don't mind waiting, they do have outdoor seating and they got fans, so it's really not that bad right now, but if you don't mind outdoor seating, they do have it. I could eat this just for dinner. I love this bread. Okay, the food is beginning to arrive. Becca got cheeseburger spring rolls?
Yes, and they're better than the parks.
Better than the park, she
Yes.
says. There we go. And they always get the mushrooms right there. Michelle got the Thai lettuce wraps, which are one of our favorite dishes here. 100%. But she also got some, they always fight over the mushrooms. I will not fight over these, but
This is my breakfast lunch combination,
Yeah.
so I have a little bit more I can eat.
there you go. And this is what I got right here. Absolutely nothing yet, but it's coming. And that is mine
they
right
say
there, the
true.
chicken and waffles. I've never had it here, but that waffle smells absolutely wonderful. Got a little protein on there. Probably, you know, maybe not so much on the syrup, but we're going to give this a try, and we're going to enjoy our meals. Even the bread holders have the, you know, maybe not. You guys tell me. Okay, we are pre-celebrating Becca's birthday, so they brought us a piece of cake. Make sure to sign up for the rewards so you get your free cheesecake.
That was nice.
Yes, and that is the pineapple
That's a
upside
big old
down.
layer of
I know.
cheesecake.
That looks great. Okay, let's go and enjoy this, ladies. Travelers, the sun is coming out. It is starting to get warm. We are done shopping here at the Vineland Premium Outlet Malls. If there's anything I can suggest to you guys, I would actually come about half hour before everything opens so you can get a parking spot, because once this place opens, it is hard to get a parking spot. Had a great time. Found some Disney merchandise I didn't even know existed out there in the world, so that was awesome. And I actually got a piece of merchandise for our upcoming group cruise that we have not yet announced yet for next year. So stay tuned for that. But travelers, had a great time. Hope you guys had a great time joining us. And like we always say, until next time, travel and adventure is out there. Still need to go see that.